After understanding problem domain and solution domain, now I explain the 4 levels of the program. One thing I am telling you, this is totally unique in the world. This type of strategy nobody applied. For the first time, I am introducing and providing to you. That's why if you understand the spirit of this model, every day or every 2 days you will be in a position to develop a project of 100 plus lines, 100 plus lines in a professional manner, regardless of your background. You may be school goer or college goer or a doctorate. I don't mind. For anybody, same system. Because this is the down to earth model. So everything you learn on your own and you can perform. Now practically I explain the strategy and what names you have to give, because for each project 4 levels are there, and minimum 25 projects I am going to provide you in fast track series. 25 into 4, 100 modules you develop. That's why giving names is very important. For appropriate name, simply seeing that, you must understand what is that. It is not also simple job. That's why that also you should learn. You should not waste any time in knowing what is the level of this program, that and this. Okay. Now, as I told you, this is a project of 100 plus lines. This is regarding room. So, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 levels are there. First level, I name it as level 1. Level 1, I name as 1A. That means what you name it as? PFT 1A. Then you can easily understand what is this. This is PFT 1B, PFT 1C, PFT 1D. Suppose in a particular context, when I explain 24th project, I may tell you one thing. PFT 11C. You refer PFT 11C. I explained this concept. Immediately, without wasting any time, you are able to identify that. That is third level in fast track series 11th program. That is the strategy here. So you give names properly throughout that. You may develop 100 projects also. You can identify a particular level very easily. Okay. Now, how it is developed? Actually, this first level already you did it at the 9th program in PFT. Once again, you refer. However, I am explaining here. No worry. Okay. This is calculating floor area and 4 walls area of the room. 4 walls area of the room. The two things we calculate. Okay, this is the base program. PFT 1B is the extension of PFT 1A. Actually, this is a sequential program. Sequential program means all the statements we have written in the sequence, around 20 lines have come, 25 lines have come. Now, this one, function oriented programming, actually function orientation. This is the real spirit of Python. Python supports 3 paradigms: sequential paradigm, function oriented paradigm, object oriented paradigm. In the initial concepts, programming basics, I explained that. One thing, once again, I am telling you, because most of you do not like concepts. That's why every time I am telling you, if you didn't watch that, again watch it. Again watch a function oriented programming concept, then you can understand it very well. Thereafter, the same program, whatever you did for 1A, you transform this program as a function oriented program. Function oriented program. Actually, once you understand the purpose of function and the structure of functions and other elements, you can transform this same code you use, and little more elements will come, and you develop a function oriented program, same program. Then you calculate floor area of room, 4 walls area of the room, and display them. Result will be the same, 100% same for the both. But this is a sequential program. All instructions are written as a sequence, and this one, it is divided into functions, and there 4 functions, it is divided into 4 functions, and we write the 4 functions. By collective contribution of 4 functions, you get the same result. Next, PFT 1C, the extension of 1B. Actually, here simply we calculated floor area and 4 walls area. In this, we take up a renovation of the room. Renovation of the room means floor, old floor is there, we are changing the floor. For that purpose, certain cost square feet, this much cost is there. You have to calculate replacing the floor, that cost you have to calculate. Okay, simple. Already you find out area. Suppose floor area 300 and each square feet, let us say 100 rupees. 300 into 100, then 30,000 is the cost. In that way you have to calculate. That is one element is replacing the floor tiles. That second one is painting the walls. Painting the walls means actually which area you take? 4 walls area minus windows, area of the windows and doors you delete, because same paint we don't apply for doors and windows. You know that. It's a matter of common sense. As I told you already, this is all common sense. What is going on around you should know that. You simply, if I tell you paint means if you apply, if you take 4 walls area, people can understand that you don't have common sense. That's why from the beginning, minute 1 or onwards, I am telling you, if you want to evolve as a programmer, you must have common sense. Otherwise, through my system, you can get it what is common sense and all that. So, rest of the 4 walls area means 4 walls area minus the area of the windows and the area of the doors you have to make, and that is one area, paintable area. Thereafter, matter of common sense, top also you have to take. That ceiling area I didn't give, but how can you calculate? That is also matter of common sense. It is equivalent to floor area. So that is a paintable area you have to calculate, and I give you the price per square feet. Let us say 10 rupees. 10 rupees. Suppose 4 comes at 700 square feet. 700 square feet in 10. 7,000 rupees. That is painting of the walls and the roof or ceiling. That is the renovation cost, and you have to prepare a statement for that. Renovation cost statement you have to prepare. Okay, this is the extension of that. You could understand that. Now you come to this. This I am going to give you an assignment. Today itself, without testing your knowledge, don't go ahead. Because without testing, how can you get confidence? Simply, many people, I know programming, they say whenever some assignment is given, they cannot do, sir, I forget. So, you should not be in that stupid category. That point you have to understand. So, test your knowledge. Here, some little extension I make. Same program, little extension. What we ignored in this renovation? We ignored doors and windows. Doors and windows, once you renovated the room, you have to paint doors and windows also, na? So that area you take, the total area of doors and windows, I give you a formula, simple formula, and it's cost a little more. Actually, walls painting cost is different, and doors painting cost is different. It is little more. That is also matter of common sense. Everywhere common sense. If you don't have common sense, I never evolve as a programmer. The same statement 100 times I give, because I know that how people think. So that one a new renovation statement you have to create. That means few steps extra will come. This is the project, wonderful project for a beginner. 5 hours old. Why I am calling as 5 hours old? Only feel good series matter 5 hours. You might have worked around 15-20 hours. So in the beginning itself, in the first week itself, you lay a foundation for this building in such a way, and this is your strong foundation. You are constructing a project. This is a wonder. Otherwise, I am making a challenge. Anywhere in the web world, you cannot find this model. Work out. One project you complete, then you can enrich your confidence. No doubt about that.